Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking a next delicious and tasty meal, and this is an easy way how to make curry chicken. For this video, guess what? A couple of my kids, they want to get involved and they want to do the tasting review at the end. So please stick around, watch the video from start to finish. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. I'm just gonna quickly run through the ingredients for this delicious recipe. Of course, this is a chicken. Then I have a leek here, a tomato, some fresh thyme. I have some spring onion. This is some turmeric. I have a couple carrots, green, yellow and red bell peppers. This is some ginger powder. I have cayenne pepper here. This is some dry jerk seasoning. This is some wet jerk seasoning. And of course, this secret ingredient here is made by myself, homemade green seasoning paste, and I'm going to use this as part of the ingredients to marinate the chicken. This is a whole chicken, and what I've done is to cut it up into small pieces. As you can see, what I've also done is to remove the skin from the chicken. This is optional, you don't have to do it. This has been washed with water and then with vinegar, and then rinse off again with some fresh water, just making sure that the meat is nice and clean. I'm going to season the chicken now. So firstly, let me just add some dry jerk seasoning. I'm going to add some ginger powder. This is the cayenne pepper. This is the jerk seasoning paste. I'm not going to add too much because this is very hot, so just a half spoon. Right, this is my green jerk seasoning. Just going to add an next half spoon because this is hot as well. Inches of thyme. I already cut up some of the vegetables already, so I'm just going to add everything. This is the bell peppers, green, yellow and red. Also here I have some onion, leek, spring onions. The stuff, the carrot, the turmeric and the tomato, I'll add those later when I start cooking the chicken. So I'm not going to put it in this now. So all that needs to be done is to give this a good rub. This is now finished. I'm going to wrap this up and leave it for a few hours to marinate, and then I'll start to cook this later. I've been passed and I'm going to cook the curry chicken now. This is my turmeric which I showed you earlier. I'm just going to add this in the pan. I have some oil here. The oil is now heated. So I'm just going to add this and I'm going to give this a nice sauce. This is the chicken. I'm going to put everything in the pot as well. As this stands now, all I'm going to do is just to put the lid on the pot. I might just add maybe a half a cup of water later, maybe not, I'll see how it goes, but I'll just allow this to slow cook. Right, it's about 20-25 minutes since I started cooking this curry chicken. As you can see, it's cooking down really nicely. So at this point, I'm going to add the carrots and the chopped tomatoes. As well, the amount of water in the pot, because the water from the vegetables and the meat itself. So I'm not going to add any more water to this. I'm just going to put back the lid on the pot and just allow this to cook down nicely. Okay, this is almost finished. I'll just give it a few more minutes. Look at the gravy, how thick it is. It smells really nice. As I said to you at the start, this is a nice and easy way how to cook curry chicken. So shortly I'm gonna dish some out and have a taste.
It's delicious and divine.
This is definitely from heaven. Please remember to give my daddy a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.